Hi, welcome to Health is Wealth. This is Srikanth signing in from India. Today I am going to speak about how to get rid of gastric and acidity problem. When I searched on Google, I found very stunning facts that more than 20% of United States of American population was affected by this gastric and acidic problem, and moreover 30% of world population is facing this problem. Millions of people buying lot of medicines for their lifetime to get rid of this problem and wasting a lot of money and disturbing their healthy lifestyle. The main reason behind it is that the junk food which you are taking in your daily routine and the beverages which you are taking in your daily routine and the coffees and teas, the number of coffees and teas for taking was the main reason. The junk food, beverages and coffees and teas in your daily routine was caused this problem. Before I am going to tell some Indian natural remedies to get rid of this acidity and gastric problem, I am revealing one secret in the middle of the video. There are only 3 tips to get rid of this gastric and acidity problem. The first tip is that while you waking up in the morning, take 1 liter of warm water and try to drink in a one shot if it is possible. Otherwise, split the water into 2 to 3 glasses and try to drink in the span of 5 to 10 minutes. Then feel the water motion in your stomach and use your restroom, have your shit and come back and do your routine work or exercise, whatever you do for further 1 more hour. After completion of 1 hour, take another 1 liter of warm water, try to drink it as I said in earlier. Now also concentrate on your intestine and use your restroom. Every day try to go your restroom for at least minimum 2 times. My second tip is that when you are taking your food, it might be breakfast, lunch, dinner, whatever it may be, avoid taking beverages and water at the time of your food. Why I am telling this means, at the time of your food, your intestine and your stomach, lot of acids will be segregated. Mainly HCl, hydrochloric acid, will segregated, which is used in digest your food. It is highly concentrated and very powerful acid. If you are putting water in your intestine at the time of your food, the concentration of HCl will get diluted and the mechanism of digesting your food becomes slower, and this process lot of gases will produce. So try to stop taking beverages and water at the time of your food. And my third tip is that take natural fruits which are available in your countries and your locality, whatever it may be. It might be pineapple, watermelon, papaya, dragon fruit, kiwis, whatever the fruits available in your locality. Try to take these fruits as your breakfast and dinner for only 7 days. If you are really very serious about get rid of this gastric and acidic problems, try to take my challenge of 7 days and you will surely get rid of this. I said in the early of the video that I will reveal one secret to you. That is, the secret is that if you follow these 3 tips for 3 days, you will surely get rid of this gastric and acidity problem. So thank you for viewing, and I will never say like me, share me, subscribe me, because you all know very well what to do, what not to do. This is Srikanth signing off from India. Thank you for viewing. Have a good day.